Hi, I am Dr. Gökay Bilgin, co-founder of Smile Hair Clinic. A successful hair transplant isn't just about the surgery itself, it's also about what you do afterwards. So let me share the key post-operative care instructions for you should follow. First, protect the transplanted area. For the first few days, avoid touching, stretching, or hitting your head. Even while sleeping, use a special pillow to keep pressure off the graft. Second, washing. We provide patients with a medical shampoo and lotion. Starting from day 3, you are going to follow a gentle washing routine for about 10 days to clean crust without damaging grafts. Third, activities. Avoid heavy exercise, swimming, or a sauna or bath, or direct sun exposure for at least 2-3 weeks. Fourth, medications. Take the prescribed antibiotics, pain relievers, and anti-swelling medicines exactly as instructed by your doctor. Fifth, patience. In the first month, you may notice shedding of the transplanted hairs. Don't worry, this is normal. New growth begins in 6 months, and the full result appears about 24 months. In the 12 months, you will see the 80% of the result. At the Smile Hair Clinic, we guide every patient step by step, from the first day of the surgery until the final result. Because it's not just about growing hair, it's about transforming lives.